everyone, Tina with WTI. If you are looking for plant food for your hydroponic garden, I have just the thing. This is plant food from the Ambgrow store, and it's worked so well for us. We are trying to grow some vegetables in our hydroponic garden, and with the help of this plant food, it's gone really well. We've gotten lettuce, we have a really nice zucchini plant, we've got some cucumbers coming in. So excited about our success with our hydroponic garden. I love how easy these are to use. So it gives you the proportions on the bottle of how much to put in per liter of water that you're using in your garden. And in the caps is your measuring cup, so you can very easily measure how much you need. And of course it comes with your extra fertilizer bags, so you can just add in your new food, add water, shake it up, and you're good to go for your next few feedings. Overall, these have worked really well. We really like them, super easy to use, and I hope they're gonna help your hydroponic garden grow as well. And that's my point of view.